A remarkable transformation is happening in our fast-paced world powered by advanced technology, where exciting chances lie ahead at every digital turn. The fusion of artificial intelligence and financial triumph is reshaping how wealth is generated. Get ready for an exciting adventure as we reveal the well-kept secrets of achieving enormous riches with AI. From crafting engaging content to creating innovative apps, we will delve into the techniques that will skyrocket your bank balance to unimaginable levels. So, join us as we unravel how you can get rich with AI in 2023. But before we dive in, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Now, let's dive right in. Number 10. Content creation. In this era of Instagram and YouTube Shorts, content creation has become a popular avenue for earning money. With AI tools like Copy.ai, Peppertype, and ChatGPT, content creators and marketers can efficiently generate content outlines, PPC ad copy, and landing page ideas. AI-driven automated posts are a powerful strategy for growing a fan base and monetizing content. AI tools offer several benefits for content creation. They enable the production of high-quality content in less time, assist in brainstorming ideas, and help with editing and proofreading to enhance readability. Additionally, AI tools optimize existing content, contribute to the growth of writing skills, and generate visually appealing pictures for blogs. By leveraging AI tools, content creators can utilize built-in templates to create engaging blog posts, newsletters, ebooks, and travel itineraries. These forms of content have significant earning potential in the market, making AI a valuable asset in the pursuit of financial success through content creation. Number 9. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, in conjunction with AI, is an effective avenue to achieve financial success. By leveraging this strategy, web admins and travel bloggers can exponentially enhance their affiliate marketing endeavors. With the assistance of AI technology, various tasks are streamlined, including content idea generation, affiliate link integration, crafting compelling product reviews, and engaging with customers. This AI-powered assistant revolutionizes the affiliate marketing landscape, propelling individuals toward triumph. Scaleo, an exceptional AI-powered software, offers real-time campaign tracking and analysis, elevating the performance of affiliate marketing initiatives to unprecedented heights. Additionally, Referral AI serves as an indispensable tool for generating investors and partners, becoming an invaluable asset in the process. Implementing these AI-powered tools has resulted in a remarkable surge in income generation within our affiliate marketing ventures. For those seeking remarkable outcomes, the amalgamation of affiliate marketing and AI is an opportunity that should not be overlooked. Embrace these advancements and witness the outstanding results for yourself. Number 8. App development. In today's tech-savvy world, almost everyone has knowledge about technology and how things work. With the rise of Shark Tank and the growing interest in entrepreneurship, many individuals are eager to start their own businesses. However, the process of launching a business can be overwhelming, and not everyone has the patience or guidance needed. Instead, why not consider app development as a path to success? Developing your own app allows you to showcase your innovation skills in a single venture. With the prevalence of artificial intelligence tools, you can leverage AI for guidance and inspiration while creating your app. Furthermore, you can monetize your app by offering premium subscriptions for certain services or selling advertising space. By venturing into app development, you have the opportunity to tap into the growing market and potentially achieve financial success in the exciting world of technology. Number 7. Utilize AI to grow your business. If you have an exciting business, leveraging AI can be a lucrative way to boost your earnings effortlessly. Utilizing AI in your business strategy opens up a world of opportunities. One effective approach is harnessing the power of social media. By analyzing your clients' data, you can target them with relevant ads for products and services they have been actively searching for, enhancing their engagement and benefiting your business. Additionally, creating applications with AI features can increase employee productivity, resulting in greater profitability. Enhance your existing business app by incorporating convenient features such as speech synthesis or image recognition, saving clients time and aiding those with visual impairments. Automating systems and tasks with the help of an AI assistant can streamline operations and free up time for other important endeavors. Platforms like Google offer assessments such as Grow with Google, which provide insights into how AI can benefit your services, paving the way for business growth. Number 6. Boost the use of machine learning in e-commerce. The COVID-19 epidemic has accelerated the shift to online shopping, creating a prime opportunity to leverage machine learning and transform the e-commerce landscape. Machine learning algorithms enable personalized customer experiences, tailoring shopping journeys to individual needs. An e-commerce platform can provide relevant recommendations by understanding preferences and predicting desires, revolutionizing the buying experience. Additionally, machine learning facilitates accurate supply and demand prediction, optimizing inventory management. Anticipating market trends and fluctuations ensures timely product availability, minimizing stockouts and maximizing sales. Addressing security concerns, advanced fraud detection algorithms analyze customer behavior, mitigating risks and preventing fraudulent activities. Enhanced security systems built on AI foster trust and loyalty, reassuring customers. Moreover, automation through AI-powered chatbots revolutionizes customer support by handling basic inquiries promptly, improving response times, and providing a seamless experience. In this era of online dominance, the potential for machine learning in e-commerce is vast, enhancing buying experiences, optimizing inventory, strengthening security, and streamlining support. Number 5. Selling digital artwork. Selling digital artwork using AI is a great way to make money. People love beautiful illustrations. You can find art everywhere, like on screens and in homes. With AI tools, you can make unique and fun art and work with different brands to sell it. Companies that sell home decor, furniture, and stationery are interested in buying good art, so there are opportunities to sell your work. You can also sell your art directly on websites like Amazon or Etsy, which helps you make more money. AI makes it easier to create awesome art. Canva, for example, has AI tools that let you create art by giving it simple instructions. There are other platforms like GanBreeder, Magenta, and Processing that also use AI to help with creativity. Writing and selling comic books have become popular too, not just for kids and geeks, but for a wider audience. Anime has become more popular, and people like reading fun and cheesy comics, so there's a good market for them. Number 4. Book reviews. If you are an avid reader who revels in the bliss of books, we have an exciting opportunity for you. With ChatGPT, you can automate the process and say goodbye to tedious reading and hello to automation. With ChatGPT's incredible plugins, you can effortlessly upload your favorite book's PDF and ask any questions your heart desires. But wait, there's more. Fear not, even if you are not an avid reader, for AI tools can make you a masterful reviewer. Simply select a book, let the AI tools handle it, and then watch the magic unfold. The AI tool refines and reimagines your input, crafting a captivating blog post tailor-made for your book-loving website. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't fret. There are marvelous websites out there that can lend you a helping hand. They handpick a book and write a brand new review ready for you to publish. No more grappling with the complexities of reading, experiencing emotions, and expressing your thoughts. It's an effortless way to delve into the realm of literature while making a little extra money. Number 3. Provide AI integration service. Offering AI integration services to companies is a profitable opportunity. Many industries like finance, healthcare, and retail can benefit from using machine learning and AI automation. By using your strong knowledge for this technology, you can help businesses unlock their potential and make money. AI integration can improve a company's business intelligence, especially in online marketing. Companies can gain insights into customer behavior, market trends, and emerging patterns by using AI to analyze data. This information allows brands to customize their strategies and connect better with their target audience. Agencies can use natural language processing models to analyze customer reviews and feedback, helping businesses create impactful ads that address customer needs. In retail, machine learning can power chatbots for customer service. By training the AI to recognize keywords and provide answers from a set of frequently asked questions, the customer experience is enhanced. Additionally, integrating recommendation algorithms based on customer data allows for personalized product suggestions based on purchases, search history, and preferences. Number 2. Offer AI consulting services. AI consulting services offer a lucrative opportunity for artificial intelligence experts to generate substantial income. As AI technology continues to evolve, many businesses are still grappling with how to harness its potential effectively. AI experts can capitalize on this knowledge gap by providing consulting services to larger companies. To succeed in this field, it's crucial to possess a deep understanding of both AI systems and the client's business model. You can identify areas where AI integration can bring significant value by thoroughly analyzing a client's existing systems, processes, and challenges. Craft a comprehensive proposal that outlines your proposed AI integration services, including the specific technologies, tools, implementation timeline, and expected results. You can position yourself as a valuable AI consultant by showcasing your expertise, strategy, and approach. Through effective AI consultation services, experts can assist companies in optimizing their AI utilization and gain substantial financial rewards. By bridging the gap between AI technology and business objectives, AI consultants can pave their way to financial success. Number 1. Become an SEO consultant. If you are interested in assisting content creators in ranking higher in search results, becoming an SEO consultant can be a lucrative option to explore. You can earn a substantial income by learning search engine optimization and providing services like keyword research and on-page optimization to bloggers. The best part is that AI technology can handle a significant portion of the tasks involved. While having some prior experience in SEO is advantageous, AI can effectively assist in automating many aspects of the process. AI algorithms can analyze search trends, identify relevant keywords, and suggest optimization strategies. You can leverage AI tools and platforms to enhance your efficiency and productivity as an SEO consultant. By offering clients your expertise and AI-powered solutions, you can help them improve their online visibility and attract more organic traffic. This, in turn, can lead to increased conversions and revenue for their businesses. As you gain experience and build a strong reputation, you have the potential to earn a substantial income as an SEO consultant. Remember that fortune favors the bold. Embrace the power of artificial intelligence, seize opportunities, and let innovation guide you toward unlimited success.